Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the first in the My Favorite Dinosaur collection, or Me, Dino Favorito collection. And this is the T-Rex, the king of the terror. Rawr. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, be sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like dinosaurs, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, be sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called CosasParaTener. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Okay guys, so before we open up our brand new dinosaur, I wanted to show you guys the outside packaging. So let's mosey on down here. Up at the top it says T-Rex, the king of terror. And of course guys, this collection is Mi Dino Favorito, or my favorite dino. And here it says that this contains a book to know everything about your favorite dinosaur. So in this case, a book about T-Rex. And then it has a dinosaur, like a plastic dinosaur figure, and it also comes with stickers. And then down here it says the company that makes it, El Gato de
Ojalata.
Ojalata.
It's like the tin cat.
It's kind of cute.
Yeah.
Oh well, I'm gonna flip it to the other side. And guys, this is a sticker from Pelufo, which is like a big bookstore that sells this collection. We got it from the one in Corrientes. And again it says T-Rex, the king of terror, my favorite dinosaur again. And here it says again what it contains. So the book about the T-Rex, stickers, and of course the plastic dinosaur, which we'll show you in just a minute. Then it has like examples of some of the stickers and a picture of the figure. And here it says Editorial Guadal. Guadal. And it shows that they have Facebook, YouTube, Twitter,
The website,
Pinterest. So cool. And well guys, now it's time to open this up. So let's go ahead and let's get into this. Okay guys, so now it's time to check out the little book that we got that comes with the collection. So let's mosey on down here. Up at the top it says Mi Dino Favorito, or my favorite dinosaur. And down here it says T-Rex, or Tyrannosaurus Rex, the king of the terror. And then you have a picture of him. Very cool. With his mouth all open, ready to take a bite out of something. And then here,
Grace of the collection.
yeah.
And
And then over here, it talks a bit about the T-Rex. And guys, if you're interested, if you like this unboxing. You'll probably like the other collection that we did. It was like a year ago, huh?
No, less. It was being released until months ago last year.
Oh, okay.
Almost up until the end of the year.
But anyway, the first in that collection was also a T-Rex. If you're interested in seeing that, guys, that playlist will be in the in cards in the end of this video, so make sure to go on over and check those out.
It was from National Geographic.
And Clarin, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that is a newspaper from here.
Yeah, and it also had like a magazine that had a lot more information.
Yeah, it had many more pages, but this is complete too. It looks cool.
Yeah. And here it says killer bite, because these guys it's believed that they would like chomp down on the jugular of their prey, and they would like just make their prey bleed to death.
And then food.
And then noms. And then here is where you would put the stickers that they gave us. And in just a minute I'll show you those. Triceratops there. And also, before you show that one, a Pachycephalosaurus. And guys, both the Triceratops and the Pachycephalosaurus we unboxed again in that previous collection. So if you're interested in seeing either of these, again, I urge you to check out that playlist, which will be in the end cards in the end of this video. And then you have the Ankylosaurio.
Ankylosaurio.
Yeah.
Like Ankylosaurus.
Yeah, some of the names are kind of hard for me, guys. Oh, wow. I really like this picture of him with his mouth all open. Like, rawr. It's cool. And then here in the bag, you have like a little quiz.
How do you call this in English? The word puzzles?
No, there's a list of questions on here and you fill it out.
Yeah, in that color.
You mean like you think it's a crossword?
Yeah, exactly.
But it's not a crossword. It's
a crossword. You have to.
Yes.
It makes you questions, and you have to fill it.
Oh, okay.
See that there is a word in the middle, and then you have to fill the others.
I didn't see that. You're right. Okay.
Yep.
Well, what do you think about this collection, hun?
It's cool. It's very cool.
I think it's pretty cool. You just have the publishing company here. My favorite dinosaur there. And well, guys, that's the end of that. Tell me, what is your favorite dinosaur? Tell me down in the comments below. And well, guys, now it's time to check out these stickers that we got. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so here is the stickers that we got. It comes with like 5 stickers, one of the logo of the collection, and then 4 dinosaurs, which is pretty cool. Then you have the T-Rex, which is awesome. And then you have the Triceratops, and the Pachycephalosaurus, and this one that I can't pronounce for the life of me.
Ankylosaurus.
What he said.
Yeah, I'm not familiar with them because when I was born they were still alive. No, that's a joke.
Oh, you used them as a car.
No, they were my pets. Yeah.
Oh, well. And well, now it's time to check out our new T-Rex figure. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. And well guys, now it's time to check out our brand new T-Rex. He looks really cool. He's pretty detailed. His skin has all these like little etchings in it. It's pretty cool. And whereas I liked the T-Rex from the other collection, this one I think has more of like a more natural skin tone, because the other T-Rex was like bright colored and that sort of thing, and this is more like a dark gray. There you can see his eyes, his teeth. But well, there you can see his teeth. Let me show you guys the other side. And then, like, the little baby arms there. And then his massive legs. And his tail there. I'm gonna go back to the front. And well guys, you tell me, what do you guys think about this collection? Tell me down in the comments below. I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new, or whenever I start a new live stream. And guys, you're going to want to stay tuned, because we're going to be unboxing more from this collection, so make sure to stay tuned. And of course guys, I have all of the links to all of my social media linked down in the description below. So my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, all linked down below, so make sure to go on over and follow me on there. And also guys, of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman, whose channel is called CosasParaTener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.